serve as the horn professor here at Kennesaw State University. I'll be performing the GMEA All-District and All-State Horn Etudes for you. I hope you enjoy. If you're a student preparing these Etudes for an upcoming audition, I'd also like to personally invite you to KSU's All-State Brass Bootcamp, which will be taking place here on campus Saturday, November 9th. We'll have sessions specifically geared toward each of the middle school, concert band, and symphonic band levels. You can check out the link in the video description for more details on that below. The Lyrical Etude is one of the few lyrical etudes from Koprosch's 60 Selected Studies for Horn book. At first glance, all the 16th notes and 32nd notes make this look much faster than it is, but don't be alarmed and start by taking it slower than notated. When first learning the rhythms, I would also recommend taking out the turns, trills, and grace notes and add them back in once the foundational rhythms are correct. For the larger slur from E to G in measure 6, isolate that interval in your practice to be sure you can first hear it. Even though it occurs in the middle of a crescendo, try playing the E a little louder and use your air to soar up to the G and then complete the rest of the crescendo. Take measure 7 especially slowly in your practice to really hear and feel those more awkward intervals. When playing the turns in measures 1 and 9, be sure your rhythm is consistent and you're turning to the correct notes. While the technical etude appears less challenging rhythmically than the lyrical etude, it can be quite tricky getting the correct intervals in your ear. I would recommend slowing the etude down significantly and breaking it down into smaller chunks. Another tip to help you find success in this etude is to avoid playing the staccatos too shortly. Prioritize good airflow and clear, crisp fronts of the articulated notes. This will create your staccatos for you without shortening the note and closing up your throat. Lastly, adhere to the dynamics marked to create the agitated, spooky atmosphere of this etude, and really use the crescendos to your advantage to play up to the upper register efficiently, especially for the last 2 measures. I hope you found this video helpful in your audition preparation. Happy practicing and good luck. Don't forget to check out the links in the video description below, where you can register for our All-State Brass Bootcamp and learn more about the Horn Studio at KSU. Thanks so much for watching, and go Owls!